Hey guys, today we are air frying chicken in both the Ninja Foodi and with the Mealthy lid that goes on the Instant Pot, all while having a whole lot of fun.
I love that fried chicken.
Hey guys, welcome back to my camper kitchen. I am Cris from recipes@crock.com, and today for Foodie Friday we are doing a little bit of a comparison video for you guys. A lot of you have been asking us how the Mealthy lid, the crisp lid that you can get as an attachment for your Instant Pot, compares to the Foodi, and so we thought we would do a batch of fried chicken in both of them and let you see the difference yourself. So that's what we're doing today. Now, since I'm in the RV, I'm not going to be frying these at the same time. I'm going to be doing it one batch at a time like I would if I were doing it exclusively in the Foodi or exclusively in the Instant Pot. So what I'm going to do is I've already got, let me turn this on for you guys so you can see, hopefully. There we go. I've already got my low carb breading breaded onto half of the chicken in each pot. So this is what we do to fry our chicken in the Ninja Foodi. We put the rack on the lowest rack and we lay our chicken legs out. So you can see that. And then over here, hopefully I'm still recording. Maybe. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm losing my battery, so I need to hurry. Come on. Come on now. I'm having technical difficulties. Well, I will show that hopefully when Mikey gets back. Anyhow, down in my Instant Pot, I have the little basket that came with the Mealthy lid, like this, on top of the trivet. So it is a little bit higher in the pot, but that's going to work out just fine, I think, because the Ninja we're going to set on 360 for 30 minutes. And we know typically it does really well circulating the air, so I don't have to flip it. With the Mealthy lid, I'm going to have to keep an eye on it, and maybe 15 minutes in I may have to flip my chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to get my Ninja going, and then hopefully Mikey will be back so I can get the battery changed in this and show you what the setup looks like in the Instant Pot. So one difference I will tell you right off the bat is that I feel like I can spread the chicken out a little bit more in the wider pot that comes with the Foodi, and I don't know how that's going to work. I have one more chicken leg than I do in the Instant Pot, just based off of what I could fit in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this air fryer on, and I'm going to drop it down to 360 and get it cooking. And hopefully by the time it is done, I'll be able to show you what's going on in my Instant Pot over here. If I were going to cook these both, I don't know if you have the desire to, but if I were going to cook these both at the same time at home, I would put them on separate breakers so that I wasn't taxing the same electrical outlet with these two. But because we are in the RV, I'm not even going to go down that route. I don't know how many of you have two different air frying mechanisms and would want to do that, but typically I cook this, especially in the RV, in batches anyway. So I'm just doing one batch in the Foodi and one batch in the Instant Pot to show you what they look like and any kind of differences that we have to make. So I will be back whenever the Foodi is done, and we'll look at what's going on there, and then we will do the Instant Pot. In 3, 2, 1, and we are back. So our chicken has went for 30 minutes in the Foodi. Whoops, I'm steaming up my, it has like a glamour shot look whenever it steams up like that. There's our chicken. Alright, and so you can see it's lower down in the pot. It's higher in the Instant Pot. with the basket the way it is. I could put a smaller trivet down and drop it lower, but I'm going to try it with what came with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this lid on. I can't cook at 350, or I'm sorry, I can't cook at 360 in the Mealthy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it at 350, especially since it's closer to the heating element, and see how things go. I'm going to go for 15 minutes, and if things look fine, I'm either going to flip them or I'm going to cook for another 15 minutes. I'm probably going to flip since it's so close to the top. And so I will see you back here in 30 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. And we are back. So it has been 30 minutes. I did flip it halfway through. And I want to check with a meat thermometer to make sure that the chicken is cooked all the way through. So we will see what it comes up here in a minute. Alright, it is not quite done just yet. So I am going to put this back under and cook it on 350 for about 5 more minutes, keeping an eye on it. If you'll remember right, we did cook this at 350 and we cooked the other chicken at 360. So it's understandable that it might take a little bit longer. So I will see you back here. I'm going to wash off my meat thermometer and I'll see you back here in 3, 2, 1. And we are back. Okay, so I put it on for another 5 minutes and it looks like it got all of my, all my legs cooked except for this one. This one's a little stubborn and I don't know if it's maybe my meat thermometer or what's going on, but that one looks like it needs to cook a little bit longer. But these look nice and crispy and they did come up well over 165. And so I just wanted to compare with what these look like. My lighting. Oh, the heat. There we go. It likes to give me a glamour shot when I go down in there. So as you can see, it looks very, very, very similar. I am a little concerned about this one, and I'm probably going to cook it for a little bit longer. But I think it did the job. So let me get a plate and put 2 pieces on and cut into the chicken and let you guys see it. So let's take this piece and this piece. And we'll show you. I'm going to just slice a little piece off on each one so you can see how nice and juicy and tender they both are. It actually looks, I wouldn't know the difference. Nice and juicy right there. And there. So let's take a little nibble. I love that fried chicken. Tender, juicy, crisp on the outside. Love it. Let me try the other one, which is a little hotter because it just came out. Whew. Tastes the same. Both taste great. I would say this is a thumbs up for the Mealthy lid. Definitely a thumbs up. You guys know we love our foodie around here. They both turned out quite nicely. So to just recap some of the differences is I think you could get a little bit more chicken and probably done a little bit more quickly in the foodie. But if you're not looking to add another appliance and you just want, and you already have an electric pressure cooker, you definitely can get the job done with this sucker. Like I said, oh, no, don't you start cooking on me. I am going to put this under for just a little bit longer, particularly on that side. I may even rotate where it is because much like with our slow cookers, it looks like this side is cooking a little bit faster than the other side. But still, nothing not manageable. I think I told you guys, I'm not sure if I told you or not, with my cooking of this, we've cooked bacon. I think I've done yeah, I've done the pizza, the crustless pizza down in them, and they both have done really, really well. And then also, the only difference that I really noticed, excuse me, other than this, which again was kind of a big task for the Mealthy to tackle, is when it comes to cleanup. And I know I've given Ninja a lot of hard times about their non-stick pot that scratches up on us because we don't like that. And sometimes we've said, hey, we wish you would put a stainless steel pot in there. Well, after air frying several things in the Instant Pot, I will say it takes quite a bit more elbow grease to get the Instant Pot clean after air frying in it. So that stainless steel is a little stubborn, more stubborn to get clean, but what we use to make that pretty easy is just get you some powdered Barkeeper's Friend. I prefer the powder over the tube paste that they have, and it makes it a lot easier to clean than if you were just using a soak method or just scrubbing. We like to use this, and it makes it pretty quick and easy cleanup. So that's the only real difference that I've noticed, other than because the Mealthy lid can only go 350 or 375. Sometimes you have to cook things a little bit less or a little bit more than what you would normally cook in the Foodi if you're using different temperature ranges. But I definitely feel like it's something you can make work if that's something that you are interested in. So if you have any more questions about the Foodi or the Mealthy lid, I'd love for you to drop them down below, and maybe we can make that a future show where we'll talk about that as well. But if you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to click subscribe down below and become a member of our slow cooking family around here. If you would like notified every time we upload a video, whether it be a cooking video, a Foodie Friday video, a vlog, or our travels, click the ding-a-ling. That is the notification bell down below, and that will tell YouTube that you would like to be notified every time we upload a video. But whatever you do, we hope you laugh often, eat good food, and speak life. Bye, guys.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.